Alright, greetings everybody, this is John and I am taking a video of a accommodation kind of an accommodation hotel here, Hotel 101 Manila in Pasay City. It's very close to the MOA or Mall of Asia. Got my water bottle there. Anyways, it's got a little kitchenette, a microwave, like a mini fridge down here. It's a beautiful day today. It's August 29. A little cloudy, but it's not raining, so I'm sure I'll take that. A little bit of a breeze. It's got a small entryway, but you know, they do have a little safe there, and hangers are very sparse, not very much. There's this kind of a pocket door. It's not really pocket, but it's outside. Bathroom's pretty clean. I took a shower earlier, and you know the water's kind of just spilling over the edges there, so the towel's kind of wet. Anyway, but generally clean, hot water, and you know, works. So heading back over here. Got a big TV here. I think this is at least let's say 55-inch TV, maybe 60-inch. There's a water boiler for tea or coffee. Little desk there. I've got my luggage there for my hand carry shoes. Charging my phone, so there's some outlets there. The air conditioning unit works pretty well. I have it turned down to 24 degrees Celsius because it's getting very, very cold. There's the view on the 10th floor, the 11th floor really. Phoenix, one of the gas stations here, but you can't see it from here. But if you walk outside and head, I'm gonna say probably east, you'll see the Mall of Asia, very close to the Mall of Asia, and also IKEA, the new IKEA store. So this is Hotel 101, Pasay City, Manila. There you go.